Hey friends, I saw this design and I knew I had to have it because I knew exactly where I was going to put it and exactly what I was going to use as a surface. And unfortunately, I got this at Hobby Lobby years ago, the surface that is, and I don't believe they still make them. So moving on from that. So I wanted to put this in my laundry room. It says laundry is open 24 hours a day, but that's not really true because if somebody does laundry at 1 o'clock in the morning, we're going to have problems, right? But it's going to look so pretty. So I just get the stencil as centered as I possibly can, and then I am going to, I like to just make sure that, oh yeah, I had a little fuzzy in there, so you don't want that. If you see a little fuzzy in there, you're going to want to take that off because you want your chalk paste to stick to your surface. So I like to just press down where the screens are, make sure that the vinyl's nice and stuck to the surface. And then I'm just going to use white chalk paste. I had different colors that I got on clearance, but white and black you just can't go wrong with, right? So you just squeegee on your paste. Make sure that you cover all of the design that's on your stencil. I'm not fast forwarding this very much because I really wanted to show you guys how fast this is. There's little fine corners up there, little fine lines on the corners. This would be such a good gift. So like, let's say somebody has bought a new house or something like that, or, you know, a last minute little gift, because not a lot of people have a sign in their laundry room. I don't know, maybe you do. I don't know. But it would be a fun little easy gift to put together for somebody. And then once I get everything covered, I take the excess off and pull it up, and that's it. And there it is, exactly what I wanted. Thanks for watching.